Lottfapnir ávamál. Edda Ása takes a shower in her geothermal waterfall. Edda smá, Mama, I want to go with Högni to collect the ancient poems, myths, pictures, books, statues and all that. I can help him a lot. Sámur heard what Edda smá said and replies, Thou art not old enough, my wee thing. We can, though, when Pjakkur leaves, ride some part of the way with him, see him halfway to his home. Will that do? He shall have to know the way back home to his mamma. Perhaps later thou canst join him and ride all over Iceland to collect olden books and preserve them. He would be happy to have thee help him. It's an immense task at hand. Edda smá, I want to go all the way to Erknvik. I have never seen the great seas. I can teach Högni's brother Hugmóður and the girl Sigdrífa on the other farm how to swim, how to make papyrus and other amusing things. They teach me how to skate. We will not quarrel, and will not go far out towards the sea. Thou willst soon have another girl, puppy, or a boy. Perhaps I have found my quest in life, and I will see Sigdrífa's elf-duel. Now an uncomfortable silence. And now Edda Ása goes on with the teaching. Ávamál can be seen in 3 parts, Karmakanda, Uphasanakanda, Jnanakanda. The Karmakanda part is for crude men, a behavioral code. Karma is action, what we do. Then the Upasana part, where Lottfapnir sits down with his teacher and learns to understand intellectually and learns to nýsa niður, transcend, to imbibe the knowledge and wisdom in his own consciousness. This is the Lottfapnismál part. Ráðum þér Lottfapnir, en þú ráð nemir, njóta myndu ef þú nemur, þér munu góð ef þú getur. The advice is to Lottfapnir, take guidance. It will be beneficial for thee if thou really imbibest them. The teaching will be beneficial for thee if thou canst understand and knows how to use the knowledge. It is possible to learn without understanding, and also to be stuck in some wrong understanding, misunderstanding. Learning like a parrot will not do. Recite without profound understanding is useless. Ljóða þessa myndu Lottfapnir lengi vanur vesa. Thou willst Lottfapnir for a long time yet not be able to understand these poems. Lottfapnir needs a heightened state of consciousness. The part of knowledge, Jnanakanda, which is pure spirituality, is meant for the evolved man, his spiritual evolution. All about what happens when we have learned to nýsa niður, transcend the realm of thought. Be without the triguna, the 3 qualities of nature, þursa meir 3. Nistra guni above in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, stanza 45. Be without the 3 guna, triguna, guna quality, triguna mighty, nature's 3 qualities. We shall know that this, að nýsa niður, is the way to success in life. Nema upp fimbulrúnir, pick up fimbulrúnir, which come in handy in whatever we do. The way to give back to Mother Nature's gifts. The way to spiritual progress. The way to lay the bridge Bifrost layer by layer. Pronounced Bifrost, accent on the first syllable is always in Icelandic, and thereby to reach Valhöll, fully alive in one of our many lifespans. The key to the understanding is found in Odin given to Odin, myself given to myself. This is the state of pure consciousness in which we evolve, in which we perform flawless actions. Valhöll is a place for the enlightened living man to live. He is an einherji, a perfected man, living a high state of consciousness, the only normal state for a man. Dost thou know, Dettlingur, education takes place in consciousness. The process of education takes place in the field of consciousness, the prerequisite for gaining complete education, complete knowledge. The prerequisite for knowing everything, experiencing everything, and doing everything is to bring the awareness to the level of pure intelligence, pure knowledge, self-referral intelligence, self-referral consciousness, transcendental consciousness, the Maharishi says. Self-referral as there is no other. We nýsum niður, transcend the sphere of thought, to live this sphere of life, pure consciousness. Ginnungagapi is the boundless oneness.